The histogram shows some information about the weight of a sample of apples. This axis deals with the frequency density and this axis deals with the weight. Then we're asked to work out the proportion of apples in the sample with a weight between 140 grams and 200 grams. Now we're looking at this region 140, okay, to 200, but we want to find the proportion between this region and the whole region. Okay, now let's find the total apples between 100 grams and 240 grams. Okay, now between 100 and 140 you have this is 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, 0.04, 0.06, 0.08, 0.1, 0.12. So you have 0.12 by 140 minus 100 is 40. Okay, and that is going to give you 4.8. Okay, so let's check between, we're actually using the ones that have the same values. Like for this one now, you know that you have the same frequency density, okay, between 100 and 140. Now you have that same frequency density between 140 and 160. So check for 140 to 160. The frequency density is about 0.36. We have 0.36 times 20. That will give you 7.2. Now between 160 to 180, because they have the same frequency density, this should give you 0.7. It's just in between that and that. So you have 0.7 times 20. 20 because 180 minus 160 is 20. So that will give you 14. Okay. Then you have 180 to 200. Between 180 to 200, you have it to be here. This is 0.6 minus 0.02 minus 0.04. 0.56. 0.56 times 200 minus 180 is 20. And it's going to give you 11.2. Now between 200 and 240, you have the same frequency density, and it's going to be 0.18 because it's just below 0.2. So you have 0.18 times 40, and that is 7.2. So the total distribution will be just addition of all this: 4.8 plus 7.2 plus 14 plus 11.2 plus 7.2. We have our answer to be 44.4. Then the distribution between between 140 grams to 200 grams. You have 140 to 200 lies here, so you have 7.2 plus 14 plus 11.2. Okay, so you have 7.2 plus 14 plus 11.2, and that is going to give you 32.4. So the proportion of that in relation to the total is going to be 32.4 divided by 44.4. Now, punching on your calculator, you're going to have 0.72973, okay, which is approximately equal to 0.73. So this is how you solve it. First of all, we found out the total output or total distribution, okay, between 100 and then 240. Then we found the one between 140 and 200. Then we found the proportion and got the answer.